welcome back to the garage. Today we're going to be reviewing a product that I've kind of been looking forward to for a while. The sun's really bright and it's hurting my tiny eyeballs, so bear with me. We're filming from inside the garage for that reason for right now. A couple housekeeping things first. Please ignore the disrepair of my garage. It is really gross. It's kind of turned into a storage room since we stopped detailing. Shadow's mad I'm not feeding him. You can tell that light's out. That one's not. It really just comes down to me being lazy and not having the time to fix everything right now. So anyway, what else was it I was going to talk about? You're probably going to see how gross my yard looks right now. It's kind of tall. Ignore that too. I've not had the time to mow anything between work and school and everything else. My wife and I, we bought a truck. So if anybody wants to see me review that, it's a 23 Toyota Tundra. It's really nice. It's definitely my favorite car that we've, well, truck. It's not a car. It's my favorite. It's the only truck that we've actually ever owned. But it is definitely my favorite daily vehicle that we've had thus far. Anyway, moving on. Jack's Wax is what we're reviewing today. The HD wheel and tire cleaner. I've wanted to use them for quite a while. They aren't carried in any of the parts stores where I live at, so that makes it a little hard. I would have to order everything, which I have to do for Auto Finesse already anyway, so I don't really know why I've never really done it, to be fair. I've heard a lot of really good things about their brand. I know a lot of people that use them and just swear by Jack's Wax. So today we're going to find out how well their wheel and tire cleaners work. So let's get to it. This is the HD wheel and tire bottle. These are the instructions on the back of it that we're going to be following. So we actually have to detail the whole entire car. One, it's really gross. There's my wife's truck. She says it's her truck. She'll probably fight me to the death for it. Anyway, Euro Sunday is Sunday, and we have to get the car ready for that. So we're going to be detailing the whole thing today. This is just kind of a step. We also blacked out these headlights when we redid a bunch of different things. I guess I could talk about that in a different video, but needless to say, first step is to get the wheel wet. So, our sweet, really old pressure washer that definitely does not want to work anymore. And we'll get that wet. Alright, step 2 is spray the HD wheel and tire cleaner liberally on your wheel and tire one at a time. We're going to be doing just one for this video, but I wonder if it's scrub with a nylon tire brush, remove all dirt using a soft bristle wheel brush. Okay, so it does recommend using a brush. This is actually the first time I'm reading the instructions on it, which probably is not a good plan, but we'll go grab our brush in just a second. It doesn't say anything about how long to let it sit on there, though. Oh well, here we go. It's super hot outside, so we're not going to let it sit very long. Just long enough to probably go get our brush and scrub it down real good. I don't know how liberally that is. We kind of sprayed the crap out of it. Alright, to the brush. Brush retrieved. Alright. Swapping hands on the camera here. You know what let's do before we just drop this in? Let's actually get this a little wet too. I don't know what I'm doing in my life today. Guess we can back this up a little bit so it's not as super zoomed in. Alright, take our wheel brush. Go over it real good. Let's see how this turns out. I'm actually excited. I've wanted to use them for a while. This is the first time I've gotten my hands on their product. Actually, they had a booth at the Import Alliance summer meet that we went to in Nashville that I didn't record any of like I intended to. It was just me and my wife that went. We really just kind of wanted to spend the weekend together. We didn't have the kids with us, so it was a nice little getaway for a little while. This car also didn't make it there. It was supposed to be in the gallery, which is part of that other story that I referenced. I may just make a video on that. If you follow the Omitheaudi Instagram, you've seen some of the shenanigans with that. But alright, that's probably pretty decent. Alright, let's rinse this thing off, see what it looks like. We've got it rinsed off pretty good. I'm going to go over the other wheels real quick, and we'll come back when it dries and we'll see what the actual result is. Alright, so it's been a couple of minutes. We're going to come back. All the other wheels are clean now. So this is our finished product. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. It's very, very easy to use. Oh, my brain stopped like mid-word there. It does not take much to use it. The only thing that I would be hesitant of is right in the description. It says very specifically, this product is not for use on polished aluminum, raw aluminum, or anodized wheels. So if you have any of those, you're kind of out of luck to use this, which is a little bit disappointing. Because I really like it. It doesn't seem to have any sort of like iron remover or anything in it. It didn't change colors as we were using it or anything. But, I mean, what else do you really have to say about it? Seems like a good product. Worked really well. Jack's Wax HD Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Go get you some.